What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another summer cocktail. So this is summer cocktail number 4, which is the Frozen Banana Daiquiri. I can't wait to try it. Can't wait to try my new spirit as well, which is the Creme de Banana, or Creme de Bananes as I should say. But I've been wanting to try this for a while, the classic daiquiri but the banana take on it. So let's get straight into it. So it's a frozen drink, so it's going to be blended. So get your blender and start pouring the ingredients into it. So the first ingredient that's going into it is 60ml or 2 ounces of gold rum. I'm using Bacardi Major Lazer. Next, 30ml or 1 ounce of Creme de Bananes. So I got this from so the maker of this is Gifford. I got it from Master and Malt, this one. What we're going to do now is squeeze a lime. So I've cut it in half, so about 15ml hopefully, maybe a bit more. So now we'll go put in the banana, which have come to slices. And last but not least, what we're going to do is add a tablespoon of sugar just to sweeten it up a little bit, so I don't want it too tart. So now add 200ml of crushed ice, which is just short of 7 ounces. So put your lid on. What we're going to do now is blend right into it. If it Personal opinion, I'd say it needs more ice. So it's a bit more smoother. That is much better what we're looking for now. And now we're ready. If it's ever too runny, just put in more ice. So get your hurricane glass and strain into it. Now that is a proper Frozen Banana Daiquiri. Oh, beautiful. Just look at the texture, the smoothness of that. It took some ice going through it, but we've got the right texture. That is absolutely incredible. So the final thing to do now is garnish it with a slice of banana. And of course, 1 straw. And there we go, 1 Frozen Banana Daiquiri. Doesn't it look absolutely incredible? I can't wait to try this. First time we're trying a banana daiquiri, especially a frozen version. So there we go, ladies and gentlemen, 1 Frozen Banana Daiquiri. How does it taste? Tastes very, very refreshing. So it's not too sweet. I think it's right called putting in the caster sugar, otherwise this would be very, very banana-y. But the tasting notes I'm getting, it's a rum, it's a nice balance. It's not too sweet, it's not too tart. If you love bananas, you'll like this cocktail. I think if I was to make the perfect one, I'd probably put in a little bit more rum and less bananas. I think there's too many banana slices in that. I'd probably put, next time if I did this one again, I'd put in probably about 4 to 5 banana slices. That's my only complaint of this one. Well, that's what you want out of a banana daiquiri, you want the banana taste in it. But for me, it's a little bit overpowering, especially with the banana. But other than that, I'd probably rate it a solid 7 out of 10. It's not my favourite frozen drink that I've ever had. It's certainly nothing like the Strawberry Daiquiri. That is absolutely incredible drink. Does the banana daiquiri match it? Not in my opinion, but if you love bananas, then you would. But it is certainly a nice cocktail. I'd recommend it on a nice summer's hot day. It does not let you down at all, and it gives you an excuse to finally use the Creme de Bananas. Finally use the banana liqueur. Is that with the gold rum? I think it'd have a better taste with the dark rum rather than the gold rum. That'll be my other change that I do to this next time. But other than that, looks good. But that, guys, is the Frozen Banana Daiquiri. What do you guys think of it? Have you ever used the banana liqueur, Creme de Bananas? Do let me know in the comments below. But that is cocktail number 4, the Frozen Banana Daiquiri. But I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid as we are on the road to 2K, as we are 25 subscribers away. So I do thank you for all your support throughout the year as well. So we're getting very close now to our 2K. So stick around for a special video when we do hit that milestone. But for now, I will be continuing on with my summer cocktails. So any summer cocktail recommendations, do let me know in the comments below, as I want to hear from you. But I've been MixedSid. This has been the Frozen Banana Daiquiri. Have a nice day. Cheers. Tastes like summer.